Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm talking about MSI motherboard. This is MSI 970 gaming motherboard. Just game. Audio bus 2 Killer E2200 9 series chipset. There are some features, all are in very nicely presented. MSI gaming motherboard are designed with your skill in mind. See your enemies quicker, hear them better, respond faster, score more and be on top of your game with MSI gaming motherboards, recommended by the world best gaming teams. Specifications: CPU socket AM3 plus, chipset AMD 970 chipset, graphics interface 2x PCI Express with crossfire technology, SATA 6x SATA 6GB per second ports, LAN Killer E2205GB Ethernet, audio 8 channel 7.1 HD audio. Audio bus 2 are in this motherboard for less noise, crystal clear sound and the best audio components for truly sensational sound quality. And also Killer TM-E2200 game networking is using this motherboard. The Killer TM-E2200 intelligent networking platform is built for maximum performance for online games and high quality audio and video streaming. There are some rich features: multi GPU with crossfire technology, Sound Blaster Cinema 2, military class 4 and also gaming device port. That's all. Now I am unboxing this MSI motherboard. Wow, my weapon of choice. This is the motherboard. SLI, some screw, SATA port, back clips, driver installation device, discs. This is nice. SATA cable leveling. This is quick installation guide. Instruction manual. Wow, this is nice. I am sorry, busy gaming. I am not here. This is the base with dragon logo. That's all. This is the motherboard. This is really nice. There are some heatsink material. This is heatsink, and this is also heatsink with dragon logo. It's really amazing. There are 4 RAM slots and also 2 PCI. Uh, 6 SATA port, 24 pins. This is the main power port. 8 pin. This is the CPU port. CPU fan. There are some system fan port. This one system fan port, and this is also the system fan port. Audio plus 2 in here. This is the microphone. Sound in, sound in, and also sound out for this port. This is the LAN port. USB 2.0 and also USB 3.0. This is the gaming port. This is really awesome. I like this motherboard.